My name is Arseny and I love drawing, but there is one thing about it that ruins everything. Progress. Progress is incredibly slow, and I mean painfully slow. I've been drawing for years, watching tutorials, doing studies, all the stuff you're supposed to do to get better. And yet, sometimes it feels like something strange is happening. Instead of getting better, it almost feels like you're going backwards. You know how your brain feels after scrolling shorts for too long? Degrading. That's what drawing started to feel like. So it started bothering me. Because hear me out, if practice really makes perfect, then something should eventually click, right? But for me, it didn't. And that's when I decided I just can't keep going like this. Either I figure out what's actually happening with my progress, or I stop lying myself about improving. Because honestly, if I spend years doing something I love and not even getting better at it, that would become one of my biggest regrets. So I started treating it like a problem that has to be solved. And I want to show you what I discovered along the way. First, it's the biggest mistake that keeps artists like you and me stuck for years. And second, the method I built to fix it. It helped me to finally start improving with each new drawing. And what's important, see real progress. So one night I decided to open two drawings, side by side. One from a few years ago and one from last week. And I noticed something that actually scared me. The same stupid mistake was still there. At first I thought maybe that's normal, maybe improvement just looks like this, I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. But the more I looked, the harder it began to ignore. Because it wasn't just similar, it was the exact same mistake. And that's when it finally clicked for me. Listen, I wasn't improving slowly. I was repeating the same mistake over and over again. And once I saw it, I couldn't unsee this. So I decided to do what everyone says you should do if you want to improve. Just draw more. Finish more pieces, put in more hours, and trust that eventually your brain will somehow figure it out, right? So that's what I did. I pushed myself to complete as many artworks as possible, like a speedrun. And at first it actually felt like progress. I was drawing faster and finishing more artworks. But after a while I noticed something. The mistakes, they were still there. They just looked cleaner, so I wasted my time. And here's what struck me. I was getting better at finishing drawings, but I wasn't getting better at drawing. I needed it. And that's when I started to dig deeper into how learning actually works. So there is a literally phenomenon called hypercorrection effect. In simple terms, when you confidently make a mistake and then discover the correction, your brain tends to remember that correction much better later. And that's when simple idea hit me. If improvement comes from detecting mistakes, then the fastest way to improve isn't just drawing more. It's learning how to spot the mistake after each drawing. Wait, do we have to redraw each piece every time? You might ask. No, and that's the best part. You don't need to redraw anything. You just need to identify what went wrong. And once you see the mistake clearly, your brain just simply starts correcting it in the next drawings. Automatically. But there is the right way to do this. I call it the blind spot method. And once I started using it, my progress stopped feeling random. And for the first time, it actually became predictable. So let me show you exactly how it works. And I'll be showing it with help of today's sponsor, Milanote. Milanote is my favorite tool for organizing creative chaos into beautifully structured projects. And most important, it makes my studies structured and easy to track. So let's take your recent artwork and put it right here. By the way, you can start building your blind spot system with me. Link in the description lets you use Milanote for free and with no time limit. The first step is called True Form Check. Put the sketch of your artwork here and ask, Do you know where the horizon line is and where the vanishing points are for the main object? If you're not sure, it's fine. We just sketch a very simplified construction over our picture. For character drawing, I'd simply use two boxes, one for the chest and the second for the pelvis. Now think of where do vanishing lines go for each box. They actually end up at vanishing points on the horizon line. If you're trying to improve at character drawing, but your art still feels messy, usually that's because of the things like perspective, line confidence, lighting or color. And to improve this skill step by step without getting overwhelmed, grab my free digital art workbook. You will get focused exercises and real structure for your studies, so you always know what to practice next and in which order. It's completely free, so grab it by the link below. Now don't forget to write a quick takeaway for each step. It will be super important later in the video. Once we figured out the perspective part, we move on to the next step. Step 2. Instant read test. Here we test two main things. First we ask, is the silhouette boring? Let's take a closer look. I would say the silhouette looks alright, but there is a problem here. The second question. Does the pose look stiff or unnatural? And the character here actually feels robotic, so the answer is yes. In that case, let's create a board called Pose Micro Study. I feel that this arm feels very stiff, and we can improve the overall pose by adjusting it. Quick tip time! To not waste time on redrawing the whole scene, I want the brain to automatically remember the solution. So I simply create an improved pose in Clip Studio Paint and put it side by side with our own illustration. As the result, this comparison will directly embed the solution into our brain's memory. But even more impressive stuff comes in the step 3, blind spot study. Instead of wondering what's wrong with your anatomy, let's simplify it. Ask, where was I unsure how to draw the body? For me, it definitely was the connection between arm and the chest, which of course I conveniently hid under the clothes. Now create a quick study board. Inside, put the reference that directly relates to our blind spot. To do it quick and easy, I like to use Milanote's Web Clipper. A few clicks and your references are inside your board. Next, the critical part. We draw a very simplified construction. What's important here, we sketch directly inside the board. This prevents us from getting stuck in details and polishing. Now let's get back to the main board and write our takeaway. After you're done, move on to the step 4, grayscale pass. Take your picture and convert it into the grayscale. Quick tip: to get actual correct values, create a new hue saturation layer, decrease the saturation and change layer mode to saturation. Now ask, does the value contrast highlights the main focal point? Since it's a character illustration, the main focal point is the face. But the strongest contrast is here, between the weapon and the background. So these two focal points will fight for attention and illustration will fail. After we found out the mistake, write about it in the takeaway. And now the step that can make or break the whole illustration. Color clarity. Now think about, do any colors look muddy? If so, which exactly? Let's pick main colors with help of Milanote's color swatches. In this case, violet looks good, but the orange next to it feels dirty. Why? To figure it out easily, let's take the color reference I took for this artwork. Notice that the orange here works perfectly with the main color. How is it possible? See, the main color is saturated and the orange is desaturated, so we can see clear and smooth color transitions. But in my artwork there is simply two highly saturated colors. That's why it looks dirty. And now the most important part. What's next? How do you actually use this knowledge to create your own characters? This is so far my favorite approach to improving at drawing. And you can easily build your own blind spot system with Milanote, which is available for free and with no time limit. Link in description. Now that you've learned how to improve effectively, I'll show you how to actually use this to create your own characters. Click this video and let's build your first one together.